Happy Wednesday, everybody! Here's the power of Fibonacci levels and alpha wave trader method. How did I know that our trade 3 points later, 3.5 points later, if you are knowledgeable alpha wave trader student, will reverse from this level? Simple. It's a reversal zone. This is proprietary Fibonacci level that tells you and shows you where to expect reversal. This is a trade that ended at reversal zone. This is exact same logic I use on this structure, all Fibonacci levels. As I warned you since early this morning, this is a place where we will be looking to buy and buy from. As I warned you since early this morning, bearish trend remains major. This is the end of the minor trend. Sellers blast through this level. I'm extremely interested to see price here. This is where we will see institutional volume. This is where flawless bullish rally play out, which is exactly what happened in European session. Which is exactly what happened on reversal zone, where the price collapsed from on daily chart. Correct? Which is exactly what happened when price collapsed from on monthly chart. Correct? Which is exactly what happened on Apple monthly. Doesn't matter if you're investor. Doesn't matter if you're trader. You must know Fibonacci levels and always and forever respect them. Apple is collapsing down, down, down. Being long on Apple is not a good idea. And here's the S&P. How many more points down? Many. As expected. Let's update the results. This was trade number 30. Correct? You witnessed the importance of decision point 1 on counter trend structure. Decision point 2 was reached, as well as reversal zone. Clear? While we allow S&P to settle down, very active morning on S&P, we'll spend a little time with oil. This is where oil is currently on daily chart. What a fluff! What a chop! Looks familiar? A reversal zone dance. Ouch. Not pretty. This is daily chart. You saw what happened on S&P at reversal zone. What are you seeing on oil daily? If you're a knowledgeable position trader, you never entering long into reversal zone. Correct? Never, ever, ever, ever. Your success rate, 20%. Correct? You always play by the rules. So, let's open up our guiding light hourly chart. As hourly chart, Fibonacci levels will show us perfect picture when it comes to day trading. This is where hourly chart on oil is now. Ouch. Clear? Trading 101. Very crucial reminder, never ever 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 enter into reversal zone. Does this look familiar with the prices dancing currently? So, price is dancing at very important support level. Correct? And you remember extremely well what has happened on S&P. Correct? S&P hourly collapsed from reversal zone. Finding buyers at decision point 2. So, what are we monitoring on oil? We're only respecting news due to volatility. We would never short near this level. We would be looking to buy as low as possible. We will be looking to short from here. This is crucial resistance. This is crucial support. Currently, sellers showing potential of complete collapse. Sellers are in charge on oil, but shorting near this level is not an option. So, short from here, bias here is bullish, but bearish trend on oil currently is major. So, that will remain crucial. What plays out next? We would love for the price to fly here, and 5 minutes after oil news release, rules are met, will be taking price down. Rules are not met, we will not be touching oil. The first 5 minutes we ignore completely what oil does. Oil inventories, expectations zero. Oil unlike any other stock news. Negative data means shortage of supply, means bullish news. Positive data on oil means excess of supply, bearish news. So let's see what oil will do. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a shocker. Data is negative, means extreme shortage, means oil should fly in price. We will allow price to settle down. We will not touch oil for at least the first 3 minutes. Let's see what oil's showing right now. Wild, wild, wild range. 30 tick. Run back and forth. Let's see what reversal zone will do. Remember, close to reversal zone, my bias is bearish. We're not entering near this level. We need push to the downside before we take long. Buyer stepped in from this level, correct? We need a push to the downside in order to take oil up. By the time you come to reversal zone, you are in profit. So here's the selling pressure on oil. We need oil as low as possible. No entry into reversal zone. Not a recipe for happiness. Until push to the downside will play out, no entry at these levels. Push down, then we will be taking long on oil, which happened from crucial support. This collapse on oil was completely expected, just like this bullish rally in 2011 and 2012, when price came to the end of the minor trend, and where bullish rally played from. So, worthless bullish correction, sellers are exhausted and buyers are weak. No reason to invest in oil stocks by any means. Price stuck at huge resistance level. Don't be surprised to see oil in this area. This is also not the place to short oil. Way too late. We are at reversal zone. Buyers are trying, but they're worthless. Price is extremely tired. Tired sellers and very weak buyers. I warned you. You buying at reversal zone, sellers are waiting for you. By the time you come to this level, you are in profit. This is where you exit your long. This is where you look to buy from. So keep your fingers crossed, the price will collapse as low as possible. We need space up to reversal zone. S&P dancing in correction. We bought S&P as low as possible from decision point 2. Correct? Will oil give us that? Or did this bullish rally run away from us as buyers came in from the end of the minor trend? Bullish news and price collapsing from reversal zone as it had done so the previous 6 hours. So, will it blast through the end of the minor trend? Can oil do that? Lower you go, baby, better off we are. Bias at reversal zone is bullish. Clear? What chart you trade is up to you. Every single chart I look at gave me flawless point of entry, but the trade I'm interested in is long from as low as possible, preferably 46.30. But oil is struggling immensely at the end of the minor trend. Price is that pure and that simple. Good morning, Helmut. Did I mention to you I have mentoring student in Berlin? You are in Munich. Sellers are not pushing as low as possible. Let's give oil few more minutes. We'll finally blast through the end of the minor trend. This is not just the end of the minor trend on my baby chart. It is hourly level. Price blasting through this level is heading much lower down. We will be looking to take long. So, I could do is warn you. As you're witnessing, fundamentals are worthless if they contradict the price. Very powerful bullish news. Sudden push to the upside right after news release. We play by the rules. We're not interested in instant gratification. And as I warned you, price will continue being very unpredictable. You always buy well before reversal zone. To the end of the minor trend, will it blast through this level? The moment of truth. Final stopping ground, hourly chart. Are you witnessing the importance of reversal zone? Where's oil heading to? Bullish news? Anybody wants to trade on fundamentals? First target is in, right here, right now. And that's the magic of the price. Fundamentals are worthless, time and time and time again, if they contradict the price. I warned you about reversal zone. I warned you. Price telling you and warning you each and every time where the exhaustion and sellers are waiting. So, will price collapse to here? I prefer to see the price here. Only then I will be monitoring for rules. If rules are met, will be taken long. Clear? Exact same thing you're witnessing on oil, you're seeing on S&P monthly. Looks familiar. This is what happens if you're buying into reversal zone. Bullish rally on S&P is finito. Decision point 2 found buyers. This level is broken. We're flying to here. Collapsing. Sorry. This level is broken. S&P is heading to 800. All spelled out by the price since 2009. Who cares about fundamentals? Adjust your trail much closer, 46.76. And that's the magic of the price and rule-based trading. Bullish news. Who the heck cares? Seriously? I've learned that lesson in 2008. I'm forever grateful for 2008 that opened my eyes on stock market. When my flawless, fundamentally sound stocks were collapsing. That's when I started questioning everything. And that's when I started developing my method. Fundamentals are worthless, and oil just shown you that very, very clearly. As soon as I'm out of a trade, we will go back to S&P. What you trade is up to you. Choice is yours. We start from scratch on Friday in Fibonacci class. Is anybody surprised where buyers coming from on oil? We are at reversal zone, correct? Is that clear? You know the rule to buy S&P at those levels, shocker not. every time you entering position at reversal zone, that's what happens. Few reminders. Very, very powerful. Let's take a look. Did you know a year ago to get out of Amazon? Take a look. Looks familiar? Did you know a year ago to get out of Bank of America? Ah! Oh no! Complete collapse. Did you know to short euro from 3800? All of these images posted on social media and spelled out far in advance. This was the image I posted before I left on vacation. What you're witnessing just happened on oil played out on euro. To the upside, 2013 war zone at the end of the minor trend. Collapse from reversal zone. Collapse from reversal zone. You wanna buy at these levels? This is what you get. Short from 3800. Struggle for months and a half at the end of the minor trend to the downside. This level is broken. Where is euro today? You think one on euro is over? Think again. In the next 5 years, we Americans will no longer be poor. One is only the end of the minor trend on euro. Those of us who love to travel, buckle up. Euro can dance at 1 for a while, but eventually euro is heading to 80 and all the way to 50 will happen in the next few years. And here's oil at reversal zone. As soon as trail is hit, we are out of oil and I will take a break. Clear? And that's the power of the price and Fibonacci. Showtime. Short trade on oil for how many ticks? Currently 80. Remember what I said where I will be looking to take long on oil? Anybody wants to take long at reversal zone, you may speak now. Time and time again I teach you in Friday Fibonacci class how crucial Fibonacci levels are and how essential to play by the rules. Bullish news on oil, extreme shortage, means nothing. Absolutely nothing. Price will override every news. So, will buyers step in at any moment? Our trail remain intact. Correct? We only witnessed bullish correction on oil. I never said take long because the trail was not hit. Buyers blasted through reversal zone. It means this trade migrated into hourly chart. Let's adjust our trade on hourly. Never gets old, I promise. Let's put it a little closer. 90 tick collapse on oil. Are the buyers going to come in or is this collapse continuous? Exact same thing has happened on S&P hourly. Testing your knowledge of the price. Your success rate buying at reversal zone? 20%. So, I'm interested to see what S&P will do at this level. But as we discussed with the students and as I spelled out to you very, very clearly yesterday, what is my favorite place to buy S&P? As low as possible. Here. But only if rules are met. And here goes oil and S&P. Ah! Oil! Oopsie doopsie doo, 100 ticks. Anybody wants to buy oil on fundamentals? You can speak now. No indicator on the planet will ever show you that. Is that clear? Oil is heading further down. Adjust your trail. Trail 4611. Ladies and gentlemen, oil is more than 100 ticks down. This is exactly what's happening each and every time. Any instrument comes to reversal zone. 80% of the time it collapses completely. despite fundamentals. Price tells you far in advance where these levels will be. Oil is down more than 100 ticks. Ladies and gentlemen, oil is crushing boo-boo levels, Fibonacci levels in front of you. And that's the magic of the price. Adjust your trail closer to as close as possible. Every person here trades different lot size. And don't forget to see what's happening on S&P. You know the rules. Plenty of flawless trades played out on S&P. We took long from here. We know extremely well by the time you come to reversal zone, you must be in profit. Ladies and gentlemen, more than 100 ticks later, we are out of oil. Short from 46.90. Oil reached to 45.72. 118 ticks. Bullish news. Ouch. Picture perfect reminder. Always play by the rules. And never ever 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 acquire position in reversal zone. Don't matter what the fundamentals tell you. Price does not care. And that's the focus of the class on Friday. How to identify these levels. It will forever remain the key to your trading. You sign up for the course today, tomorrow you come to Friday class and you study manual over the weekend. On Monday we start with basic strategy rules. On Friday you learn key Fibonacci support and resistance levels. Let's go to S&P.